Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for pain relief, you're going to want to try this one from Icy Hot. It is their No Mess Applicator Maximum Strength Pain Relieving Liquid. My favorite thing about it is that literally it doesn't make a mess at all. With regular gels and liquids, when you have to apply it on your hands end up smelling like menthol, and then you're accidentally rubbing it in your eyes and your eyes are burning. So I just really like that this doesn't make a mess. I can just unscrew it, and because of the ball applicator, I don't have to put it on my hands. Instead, I can just rub it wherever I'm having pain. I've been having pain in my neck, so I just take the Icy Hot and I roll it on my neck, and immediately I can feel the pain being relieved. I can massage it and it feels so nice. I like that at first it's an icy feeling to help dull the pain, and then after a while it gets really hot and that helps to alleviate the pain longer. I also like how it's in this packaging where I can just throw it in my bag, and in any circumstance I can take it out and just rub it on myself. So if you're looking to alleviate some pain, I highly suggest this No Mess applicator from Icy Hot. That's my point of view.